Hi, my name is Shane, and from the time that I started Renew Painting, I wanted cabinet refinishing to be a core part of our business. However, in 2020, we almost stopped doing cabinets entirely. We were very frustrated because we felt like the quality of the products that we were using did not match the quality of service that we wanted to offer our customers. After searching for several months, we stumbled upon industrial wood coatings, and they have completely changed the process and the outcome of our cabinet refinishing division. You may be wondering, what are industrial wood coatings? A simple way to describe them is that they look, act, and feel a lot like paint. And visually, the end result is a very clean, beautiful, factory-level finish on your cabinet. But in terms of physical properties, they are much more complex. Industrial wood coatings are catalyzed polyurethanes that you would expect in an area of high traffic. They're very durable, very flexible, and they match the quality that we were looking for, as their ability to withstand the normal wear and tear of a kitchen surpasses anything else on the market today. So what we've done is we've taken these outstanding products and we've put them with our fantastic team. And we developed a process that we believe leaves you with superior end results. Our team is specifically focused on cabinet refinishing. Team members have gone through rigorous training, some of them halfway across the country, in order to be able to execute this process in your home and to teach others how to do the same thing. In order to be a Renew Painting cabinet refinisher, you have to learn a very specific process that is crucial to the outcome of the project. These team members learn numerous aspects, including everything from how to label the doors and hinges when they are removed, to cleaning, sanding, caulking, masking, filling holes, drilling holes, and much more. They have to understand chemistry, how to mix the products in order to ensure they adhere effectively, and they have to problem solve when challenges arise. And of course, they have to be able to apply the coatings to your cabinets in a way that leaves a fantastic appearance. As you can see, we love refinishing cabinets. It's a core part of our business, and we refinish well over 30 kitchens every year. Our people are dedicated to this specific component of our business, and they take great delight in seeing radical transformations in the homes of people like yourself. We would love for you to experience the joy of a renewed space. So give us a call if we can partner with you in transforming your home.